Hello dear students. In this video, we are going to learn the third method to solve the linear equations in two variables. The name of the method is elimination by cross multiplication. Suppose these are the two linear equations given to you. A1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. This is my equation number 1. And second equation is a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Okay, now solving linear equation means you have to find out the values of x and y, right? Now, this is what? Elimination by cross multiplication. Let us see how to cross multiply and how to find the values of x and y. Okay, now see carefully. I am writing like this: b1, b2, c1, c2, a1, a2, and again b1, b2. See, I have eliminated x and I have started with b1, b2, okay, then c1, c2, then a1, a2, and again b1, b2, right? Now, you can write x upon to find out x and y. This is what? Cross multiplication. See how to cross multiply. You can multiply b1, c2, and then b2, c1. Is this correct? Yes. So I am writing x upon b1 c2 minus b2 c1, which is equal to y upon. Now I will multiply c1 with a2. I will do the cross multiplication, and c2 with a1. So what I will get? I will get c1 a2 minus c2 a1, which is equal to, now in third case there are only two variables, so you have to write 1, and how the cross multiplication will be? A1 b2 and then minus a2 b1. See here, cross multiplication, a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Okay, now to get x, first equate this term and this term. So we can write x is equal to, what you can write? We can write x is equal to, if I do the cross multiplication, I will get b1 c2 minus b2 c1 divided by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Is it right? Now in the second case, let us equate now this term and this term. So we can write y is equal to, so this term will go here, c1 a2 minus c2 a1 divided by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. So this is how you will get the values of x and y. So this is the theory behind this method, elimination by cross multiplication. Okay, we will solve one problem so that this method will be clear to you. Let us see one example on this. Suppose it is asked to solve the following equations, that is 3x plus 2y plus 25 is equal to 0 and x plus y plus 15 is equal to 0. These are the two equations given to you and you have to solve the given two equations. Okay, now we will compare this equation with our usual method, usual general form, a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Therefore we can write a1 is equal to 3, b1 is equal to 2, c1 is equal to 25, and what is a2? 1. What is b2? 1. What is c2? 15, right? So what you have to do, first you have to start with B. So B1, B2. Okay, see here, B1, B2, then you are having C1, C2, A1, A2, and then B1, B2. This is our usual form, right? So this form we will write in terms of values. What is B1, 2? What is B2? 1. Next, what is C1? 25. C2? 15. What is A1? See here, A1. What is A1? 3. What is A2? 1. What is B1? 2, and B2 will be 1. Is that right? Now how you will do the cross multiply? You will multiply like this. You can make the arrows in the exam also, okay, no problem, right? Therefore we can write x upon, okay, x upon 2 into 15 minus 1 into 25, which is equal to y upon, see this is for x, this here to use for y, this for 1. So y upon 25 into 1 minus 15 into 3, which is equal to 1 upon 3 into 1 minus 1 into 2. So what you will get, x upon 15 twos are 30 minus 25, which is equal to y upon 25 minus 15 threes are 45, 1 upon 3 minus 2. So what you will get, you will get x upon 5, x upon 5, which is equal to y upon, what is 25 minus 45? Y upon minus 20, which is equal to 1 upon 3 minus 2, that is what, 1. 3 minus 2 is what, 1. So again compare this and this term. See, we will write, better we will write separately. Therefore what we can write, x upon 5 is equal to 1 upon 1, that is 1, and then y upon minus 20, which is equal to 1 upon 1, that is what, 1. So x is equal to 5, and what will be y? Y is equal to minus 20. Is this correct? So we can make the check. Let us check. We will put these values in any one of the equation, and we will see whether the values which we have got are correct or not. So let us put these values in equation 1. Plus 2y plus 25 is equal to 0. Let us take LHS. So 3 into what is x? 5 plus 2. What is y? Minus 20 plus 25. So this is 15 minus 40 plus 25. What is 25 plus 15? 40 minus 40, which is equal to 0, which is equal to RHS. So check is also clear, right? So what will your answers? Your answers will be what? X is equal to 5 and y is equal to minus 20. Okay, so hope with this all the three methods are clear to you, right? You can practice for each method so that the things will be very clear to you, right? So we'll try to solve more problem in upcoming videos, but please do revise all the three methods so that while solving the next problem you won't face any difficulty, right? Thank you.